If you want to take macro photos on the Realme 14T, then unfortunately there is no dedicated button or option or mode that allows you to easily take macro photos. However, it is still easy to do so. More precisely, we can use the photo mode. And in this case, what you need to do in order to capture a macro photo is keep the distance between the subject and your camera. And then over here, now we can just zoom in order to capture only the part, or let's say the small subject that we are interested in. And as you can see, the focus is pretty good. There is no blur most of the time, as long as you keep appropriate distance, because as you can see, if you keep the camera too close, then naturally the focus might be gone. But if you keep the distance, like I mentioned, the focus should be just good enough. The quality is fine as well, as long as you don't use too big of a zoom. But this is how we can alternatively capture a macro photo. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.